Hey, do you want to learn how to connect GoDaddy domain to Totalum AI app and website builder? In this video, I'll show you how to do it. So let's get to it. It's very easy. You need to go over to totalum.app and then you need to log into your account. After that, you can go over to this accounts page and then go into one of your projects that has an upgraded plan. As you know, you would not be able to connect a custom domain on the free plan. You will need to upgrade to the basic plan at least. Then you need to open the project. It's going to take you right over here. On the top right, you need to press on this publish button. Then you'll find this. Want to use a custom domain? Let's press on this add custom domain button. Now it's going to ask you to add your custom domain, but there is one catch here. You cannot use your domain.com. You would have to use a custom subdomain. For example, if your domain is, for me, it's this solvebasedtuts.site. So it has to be app.solvebasedtuts.site. So that is one thing that you need to keep in mind. So let's say I want to add this solvebasedtuts.site. I'm just going to take the entire domain name, copy it from here and paste it right here. But I need to add app.solvebasedtuts.site like this. Then let's press on the add custom domain. And there you go. Our custom domain is added successfully. Still needs configuration. So the DNS configuration needs to be added. So just need to scroll down. You're going to find txt record and the CNAME record that we need to add on our GoDaddy domain DNS page. So let's go over to godaddy.com. Then scroll down, log into your account, then scroll down. You'll find your domains right here. Let's press on this DNS button. And it's going to take us over to our DNS management page. Now scroll down again. And this is the add new record button. Press on this. If you have any previously added host records, you can delete them. If you do not see these host records that can be deleted, that's fine. Let it be. Press on the add new record button. First one is going to be a txt record. So we're going to press on this, choose A and select txt record right here in type. For name, we're going to go back to Totalum and then in txt record, in the name field, we're going to copy this, copy to clipboard, go over back to GoDaddy, and in name, I'm going to paste this, go back to Totalum. In value field, I'm going to copy this and go back here and paste it in the value field for GoDaddy. Okay, now let's just press on the save button. That's it. Now we need to add one more. So if you go back to Totalum again, you'll find you have the CNAME record, the traffic routing, that needs to be added as well. So it needs a CNAME type. So we need to go back to GoDaddy again, then add new record. In type, let's choose A and let's select CNAME right here. And for the name, it should be app. So let's select, copy it, and here, paste it. Go back to Totalum again. In target field, we're going to copy this from here. In DNS page of GoDaddy, in value field, we're going to paste it and save the changes. Now, once you've added both those records, you just need to go over back to Totalum and then press on this refresh button. And you're going to find that your domain is now active. Now we need to go back from this and make sure that you publish your domain from here. So just need to publish domain. And it's going to take like 2 or 3 minutes in order for your project to get published with the new custom domain. All right, your app has been successfully published. Now it says here you can access it at this domain, the GoDaddy domain. So let's press on this open app and you'll be able to find your domain live on the GoDaddy domain right here. You can see on the top in URL, this is added. And I should be able to move around in the app and it would work perfectly fine. That's how to add a custom domain, like from GoDaddy, to your Totalum AI app or website builder. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a liking comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Totalum AI app and website builder related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.